We need to talk about the Ferrari tax. Right now, people are paying $300,000 for a used Italian exotic that will spend half its life in a repair shop. That is absolute robbery. There are exotic machines sitting on lots right now for under $40,000 that have better styling, better reliability, and more street cred than a Ferrari. These are the 7 hidden gem supercars that make a Lamborghini look like a ripoff. Let's start with the car that is secretly a Toyota but looks like $1,000,000. At number 7, the Lotus Evora, 2010-2014. Most people forget this car exists. They go out and buy a used Porsche 911 for $90,000. But the Evora is a mid-engine exotic that turns more heads for half the price. Underneath that British carbon fiber body is the Toyota 3.5L V6 from a Camry. While Ferrari owners are paying $5,000 for a simple service, you're paying Toyota prices for parts at any local shop. It is the most reliable exotic ever made. You get 276 horsepower, world-class handling, and a car that looks like a baby McLaren for around $35,000. Sitting at number 6, the Jaguar F-Type V6. As people pay $150,000 for a used Aston Martin because they want that British gentleman status. But the Jaguar F-Type is the loophole. Ignore the V8. It's a maintenance nightmare. You want the supercharged V6. It is lighter, better balanced, and sounds more aggressive than a Ferrari. Because the badge says Jaguar, depreciation has hit it like a brick. You can pick up a pristine model for $28,000. It's the loudest, most exotic-sounding car on this list for the price of a base model Accord. So at number 5, the Maserati GranTurismo. This is the ultimate fake rich weapon. It looks like a 200K car, and it has a Ferrari-built V8 engine. The smart money. Secret. People are scared of Maserati reliability, but the 4.7L V8 is actually one of the most robust engines Ferrari ever designed. Neo 5.20. Avoid the early Duo Select transmissions. They are garbage. Find the 6-speed ZF automatic. It is bulletproof. You get a Ferrari soundtrack and Pininfarina styling for $26,000. It makes the Ferrari 458 look like an overpriced toy. At number 4, the Corvette C7, the Ferrari killer. I know what you're thinking. It's just a Chevy. Usually you're right, but the C7 changed the game. From the front, it looks identical to a Ferrari 599. It has the LT1 V8, a simple pushrod engine that is over-engineered for abuse. You can service this at a dealership in the middle of nowhere for $80. Try doing that with a Lamborghini. It is the most practical supercar on earth for $35,000. Looking at number 3, the BMW i8. This car looks like it fell out of a movie. It has butterfly doors that scream, "I'm a billionaire." The smart money. Secret. When it launched, it was $150,000. Today, people are terrified of the hybrid tech, so the price has cratered to $40,000. But here's the secret. The engine is actually the 3-cylinder turbo from a Mini Cooper. It is cheap to maintain if you know where to take it. It is the biggest visual flex for the money in 2025. At number 2, the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. This is the James Bond car. It is pure class. People assume you're a CEO when you pull up in this. Most people buy a new Mercedes C-Class for $60K. The smart money buys a 2007 Vantage for $32,000. The engine is based on a Jaguar block, making it surprisingly reliable for a hand-built British exotic. It has bottomed out in value, meaning you can drive it for 3 years and sell it for exactly what you paid. It is a free exotic car. Standing at number 1, the Alfa Romeo 4C. The number 1 exotic that makes a Ferrari look like a ripoff is the Alfa Romeo 4C. This isn't just a car, it's a carbon fiber monocoque supercar. Ferrari and McLaren charge $300K for carbon fiber chassis. Alfa gives it to you for $39,000. It has no power steering, it weighs less than a Miata, and it looks like $1 million concept car. It is rare, it is exotic, and unlike every other car on this list, it is actually going up in value. It is the ultimate smart money investment. If you find this video valuable, hit the subscribe button. We break down the truth about car suggestions and facts